guys. Today we're gonna learn the phrasal verb related to the word let's. So let's get started.
Let down, किसी को निराशित करना. Megha really let me down by saying no when I asked her for money which she promised to give me last week. अपेक्षा से कम होना. Home Alone 5 was a little let down in terms of characters. हवा निकालना. The kids got the balloons let down at birthday party. कपड़े की हाइट बढ़ाना. I let the hem down of my frock few centimeters. Let your hair down. मस्ती करना. On weekends, I like to let my hair down with my friends. Let something down. किसी चीज़ को नीचे की तरफ करना. We let the stone down from a high cliff. Let in. प्रवेश देना. The guard will not let you in without the ID card. Please let me in. It's raining outside. Let in yourself. अपने आप को मुसीबत में डालना. If I had known what I was letting myself in for, I would never have agreed to do this task. Let off. रिहा करना. Sakshi was let off with a little fine. उतारना. Please let me off at the next station. Let on. रहस्य बताना. You should never let on your family secrets to outsiders. Let out. छुटकारा पाना. I have got function at home tomorrow, so that's let me out of going to anywhere. I always look for a let out whenever I have to attend an annual day in my office. जाने के लिए अनुमति मिलना. The doctors will let me out of the hospital in 3 days. कपड़े ढीले करना. I have eaten much. Now I need to let my belt out. किराए के लिए उपलब्ध होना. The flat has been let out to a couple. Let through. जाने के लिए जगह देना. Let me through. I am from FBI. The curtains are so thick they do not let much light through. Let up. कमज़ोर पड़ना. One should not let up before finishing the game. The mob did not show any sign of letting up.